6 benefits of cinnamon. Background of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a fragrant spice manufactured from a Southeast Asian tree's peeled, dried, and rolled bark. Historians believe that the Egyptians had used cinnamon for more than 4,000 years. Many cultures have used cinnamon to relieve or cure diseases. Cinnamon is sweet, warm taste, and is great to use in many recipes. Surprisingly, researchers discovered that the spice ranks first in terms of protective antioxidant levels among 26 of the world's most famous herbs and spices. The bark of the Cinnamomum verum, or Cinnamomum zeylanicum, tree is used to make cinnamon. Cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and cinnamate are among the peculiar chemicals found in this bark, which are responsible for its various health-promoting benefits. Cinnamon nutrition. What vitamins and minerals does cinnamon contain? Cinnamon has vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin B3, manganese, potassium, and calcium. 1. Weight loss. Consuming cinnamon is an excellent way to reduce weight loss. Here is how it works. Cinnamon is thought to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which are both important for weight loss and type 2 diabetes management. Cinnamon is also known to improve metabolism since the spice requires more energy to digest than other meals. It's high in fiber, a nutrient that's necessary for feeling full and indicating to your body that supper is done. While it's commonly known that fiber makes you feel full and that a high fiber diet will help you lose weight, it's doubtful that cinnamon alone will provide much fiber. Cinnamon can only be consumed so much each day. Too much cinnamon can be harmful, so be cautious. Cinnamon gives meals a lot of taste for very few calories, which is always a positive thing when it comes to your diet. A teaspoon has just 6 calories, roughly 2 grams of carbohydrates, and a little more than a gram of fiber. An example, to use cinnamon in your diet is to sprinkle cinnamon over oatmeal or yogurt to have the added benefits. 2. High in antioxidants. Cinnamon is high in antioxidants that protect against free radical damage and help to halt the aging process. Thus far, scientists have discovered that there are at least 41 different defensive chemicals within cinnamon. Cinnamon's health advantages are related to its antioxidant content, which includes polyphenols, phenolic acid, and flavonoids. These substances have been proven to help prevent chronic illness by fighting oxidative stress in the body. The spice has many antioxidants that help the body to neutralize damaging free radicals and avoid oxidative stress. It also helps to prevent lipid peroxidation and reduce nitric oxide accumulation in the blood, both of which can raise the risk of brain problems, cancer, heart disease, and other chronic illnesses. In the American diet, there is a deficiency of antioxidants which leads to an increase in inflammation. Therefore, I highly recommend adding cinnamon into your diet to get extra protection. 3. Control blood sugar. Blood sugar levels can quickly rise in a carbohydrate-rich meals diet. The constant change in blood sugar levels creates the opportunity for oxidative stress and inflammation, which harm the body's cells and raise the risk of chronic illnesses. Cinnamon manages to control insulin activities to prevent diabetes and reduces body weight. Insulin controls blood sugar levels by delivering glucose from the circulation into cells, where it may be utilized for energy. Cinnamon contains anti-inflammatory effects, which may help to lessen the risk of type 2 diabetes. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to the onset of the disease. Cinnamon may help reduce blood sugar by serving as an insulin substitute. Cinnamon contains a chemical called methyl hydroxychalcone polymer, MHCP, which may stimulate insulin and help your cells utilize glucose for energy. Researchers suggest that cinnamon can break down carbohydrates which prevent the rise of blood sugar and insulin spikes. 4. Boost brain function. We recently touched upon cinnamon having high amounts of antioxidants. Boosting brain function is the result of cinnamon's beneficial properties. It is said that cinnamon supports the development of neurological illnesses including Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease. Eating small amounts of spice can significantly improve mental clarity and alertness. Simply inhaling the beautiful aroma of this spice has been proved to increase brain activity, improve cognitive function, and improve brain functions. If you know someone who is a senior or has trouble remembering sometimes, just know that inhaling cinnamon gives your brain mental clarity long term. 5. Good for oral hygiene. You have probably seen many commercial products including cinnamon as a way to fight cavities and tooth decay. Cinnamon powder, cinnamon supplements, cinnamon toothpaste, and cinnamon mints are just some examples. So, why is cinnamon great for oral hygiene? People who have yellow teeth and bad breath should consider adding spice to their oral routine. Cinnamon essential oils have significant antibacterial qualities and may be used as a natural mouthwash to naturally battle germs in the mouth. Cinnamon can be utilized as a natural flavoring component in chewing gums because of its pleasant taste. The spice can prevent bad breath without introducing any chemicals to the body since it reduces oral germs. As a result, it's been used as a tooth powder and a natural cure for toothaches, dental difficulties, and mouth sores for centuries. 6. Skin health. The quantity of melanin we produce determines the color of our skin. Cinnamon oil regulates the tyrosinase enzyme, which is responsible for the synthesis of melanin. Cinnamon's possible skin advantages stem from its antibacterial and antimicrobial characteristics, which can protect skin from irritation, rashes, allergic responses, and infection. Cinnamon extracts can be applied to the skin to treat acne. Acne is, however, not the only skin condition treated with cinnamon. It is also used to treat eczema and cleanse the scalp. Acne is the total of several changes to the nature of the skin, including bacterial colonization of the skin, inflammation, and increased breakdown of keratin. Cinnamon has the right properties to effectively treat skin disease. The two most important contributors caused by acne are hormonal imbalance and bacterial skin infections. Hormonal imbalance is caused by an increase in male sex hormone production, whereas bacterial infections are caused by two organisms, Propionibacterium acnes and Staphylococcus epidermis. Cinnamon helps with the second issue. Cinnamon can limit the production of male sex hormones, but this does not mean that the hormonal balance is restored. However, it is effective in halting acne-causing bacteria and correcting the changes on the skin. Potential side effects of using cinnamon. 1. Dangerously low blood sugar levels. We had talked about cinnamon can aid in blood sugar regulation. However, consuming too much cinnamon can cause dizziness, fatigue, and anxieties. The daily recommended dose of 1.2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder per day. If you're interested in taking cinnamon supplements, talk to your doctor first, especially if you're diabetic and using blood sugar medicine. Cinnamon may interact negatively with your medicine. Some people have allergic reactions to consuming cinnamon. Cinnamon allergies can be inherited or developed over time. When you swallow cinnamon, you may get skin irritation and an unsettled stomach. Spice allergies account for just 2% of all food allergies. The following are signs of a real food allergy, including a cinnamon allergy: rash, wheezing, coughing or shortness of breath, diarrhea, vomiting, dizziness, and uterine spasms. These symptoms usually appear between minutes to an hour of consuming your allergen. It's crucial to remember that you can have a delayed food reaction, which means your reaction could happen several hours after you eat anything. A life-threatening allergy needs immediate medical attention and, most crucially, the use of an epinephrine pen. When seeking medical help, call the emergency room. Overall, cinnamon is a wonderful choice to add to your diet. Always be mindful of the amount of cinnamon powder you are consuming. Moderation is key in everything.